Hi guys, Anne-Marie here, and today I have the H4 Boost Halo battery strap. Now this is by Kiwi Design, and they were kind enough to send this to me to give a review. So let's get started. First, we're going to start with an unboxing, and then I'll show you how to put it together, and then I'll give my thoughts. All right guys, so here's a look at how it shows up. I think the presentation is beautiful, as Kiwi Design always does. And I like the fact that it's basically put together for me already, so I don't have to go and do that as well. I just now need to install it onto my VR headset. So let's do that. Okay, so here is a look at the product fully. All the way around. It has a really nice modern look to it. They've really thought of a lot of different things with the cushioning, with the adjustability. All in all, I think they've done a phenomenal job. Everything is well put together. So all we have to do now is just take the faceplate off of the VR system, and then we will attach it to the sides here with a little snap. And then we're going to hook onto the front here, super simple, and then attach the wire. And that's it. Piece of cake. I mean, so fast. I love it. I absolutely love how quickly you can add this to your VR headset. Put the faceplate on and you are ready to go. Well, you can see installation, piece of cake, super easy to do. Now, a couple of things to talk about. One, this is the dual charger. So when you plug it in to charge, you are going to be getting charging happening here and here, which is great. You get extended gameplay because of that, because it's charging both at the same time. You don't have to wait for one or the other. So that's a major bonus there. And Kiwi Design has done a really good job at that. The other thing is, aside from it being super easy to install, I wasn't exactly sure if I would sort of notice this initial front headrest. I will be honest with you, that was my favorite part. That was the part that absolutely shocked me how comfortable it was. I don't feel like weight of this is too bad. It does have some weight to it for sure, but I don't feel like it's, I don't feel like it's unbearable or anything like that. But this padding up front is so comfortable, because a lot of times with VR head straps, I feel like it's like pushing onto my forehead, and or like all the pressure is up there. This takes that off. In my opinion, this like really takes that off. So I loved that. The battery itself is back here, and you do have indicator lights of how much battery you have charged at the time. You also have this back rest as well, the back of your head. And another thing is you can of course adjust the strap here to fit a little bit better for you, as well as it does rotate. So that way, if you have your hair in a ponytail or something like that, you can actually move this around to make it more comfortable for you. So there is adjustability there. You also have this dial here, which turns really easily. I love that. Sometimes the dials are like a little tough. This one is not. This one's really easy. All in all, I think it's fantastic. I think it absolutely lives up to the hype. 100%. I will probably be using this every single day. Oh, and there's also adjustability here. I did not mention that. So there's a lot to this. There's a lot of adjustability here, 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 but the front part here is just, you're just going to find it to be so comfortable. Just wait and see. It really is comfortable. And that to me is very important. When I play VR, I want it to be comfortable. And I do feel like a lot of times the pressure is in the front, and I just feel like this eases that pressure. So it's really cool. And the fact that it has the dual charging with the battery is exceptionally good. I'm very happy about that. So all in all, I think this is a fantastic battery strap. I think you guys would really, really like it. If you are interested in it, I do have a promo code that will give you 5% off your order, and it's promo code AMR Creative. I'll put all of the details in the description box below. So if you guys are looking for a really good head strap for your VR, I think you're gonna absolutely love this one. It just seems like a no-brainer to me. It's so good. Kiwi Design did a fabulous job on this. Well, that's about it. Thank you so much for checking this out, guys. I think it's a winner here.